In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see deleted message on WhatsApp. So first I open WhatsApp on my Android phone. So if I going this account, you can see this person sent me two messages, but this message was deleted. But how to see, right? So now first of all, going on your setting, then scroll down, then you can find out notification. After click on here, you can see here are advanced setting. Again click on notification history. So you can see this a man first of all sent me three notification. So hi misters, how are you? Wow, you can see how I see deleted message on WhatsApp. And this is a method how you can see and read deleted message on WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.